Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to continue working on the Forester. I am using my new camera. This is why I love this camera. You can see it's following me, so it should be a little bit better. I'm hoping the quality looks good still. It looks like it on the screen, but maybe on the video when I edit it, it won't look that good. But anyways, today we are going to work on the Forester. I don't know if you can see, I have the airbox off already. I had it off because I was thinking, I started making a video on me doing a compression test on the engine, but I decided it's gonna be easier if I just take the engine out. I can do a compression test when it's out of the car. It's super easy. And it'll just make it easier to access the actual cylinders and the spark plugs, because it is a horizontal engine instead of vertical like a regular car. So today I brought my little bag of tools from work. I don't have any of the power tools. I'm just going to do it with hand tools right now, but I'm going to get it ready to be taken out. I don't have a cherry picker right now. I have an engine stand, but I don't have it with me. So I'm just gonna get it ready to be taken out, and then we're gonna go from there, and next video, we'll take the engine out and kind of try to go through it if we can. But with that, let's try to get this ready to get taken out. Okay, so I think I had the camera set up. It looks like it's pretty good. So what we're gonna start with is just the easy stuff. I'm gonna get this out of the way. All of the parts that I take out, I'll end up putting in the back of the vehicle. That way I don't lose anything. And like I said, I don't have any power tools with me. I'm not gonna do any power tools until I need them, which is gonna be to, take the crank off and all that stuff. But we're gonna just start doing this. So I'm gonna speed this up so that you guys don't have to, wait, and this video takes forever. But yeah, let's start. So obviously we're not done yet, but I wanted to stop and show you guys this. I just took the accessory belt off. Look at how, I don't know if you can see it because it might not be focusing. Look how rusty it looks. Like, obviously it was on pulleys and stuff that are rusty, which is why it looks like this. It's also starting to crack because I don't know if this has ever been changed. It's a 2011, only has 126,000 miles on it, but this belt definitely needs to be replaced. So we're going to be replacing this when we do put this engine back in. I just wanted to show you guys that. So let's get back to trying to take this thing out. All right, something I wanted to show you guys. I had taken a pulley off to get the alternator off because I want to take the alternator off, and then so I can take the power steering and move it over here, and then I can take the AC compressor and move it over here because I'm not going to be discharging the AC system. I'm just keeping it in there. So I'm going to move it off to the side. But when I took this pulley off, I noticed, look how rusty this is. It is so rusty. So that would obviously explain why the that belt was so bad. I'm gonna get a couple new pulleys. Gonna get a new belt. Just make sure to definitely check your pulleys every so often, because this is pretty rusty. So don't forget to check these out. Okay guys, so we're at the point right now where I can't really do much more. I still have to drain the coolant and take the coolant hoses off, but I can't right now because I don't have anything to put the coolant in. I have the starter. I got the top bolt out for the starter, but not the bottom. I have the bell housing bolts, and then I have the torque converter bolts. And then it's ready to be taken out. So we're only a couple more steps away from taking this engine out. But with me not having any of that stuff right now, I can't do it. So we're gonna end the video here. And then the other stuff will be in the next video. I'm gonna try and get it done sooner rather than later, because it is December right now. Although we're in Wisconsin and there's no snow on the ground currently, it's all muddy. I have a feeling eventually it will start getting even colder. It's currently, I think, 42 degrees outside, so it's not terrible, but it will eventually be getting colder, and it'll be snowy. And I don't want to be out here with no heat, no nothing, and doing this, because that's gonna suck. So next video, we are taking the starter off, taking the bow housing bolts off. We do have the exhaust still. I forgot about that. The manifold we have to take off. We have to drain coolant and oil. Technically, we have to do as well. With the hoses, we'll take torque converter bolts out, and just so that it's easier for us to take the engine out, we'll also do the radiator fans and possibly the radiator. I don't know. I might keep the radiator in. We'll do that when the time comes. We'll figure that out. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys subscribing to the channel gives me extra motivation to keep making these. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys next time.